Express, and this is what I use. It's called the Chocolate Man. If you can take a bite of it and tell us how it tastes. This is like, and see, this is a peri peri sandwich for just 119, and this is again a veggie roast sandwich for 129, and that is a Chocolate Man for like a Chocolate Man. We actually have, oh wow, these are pork pieces. This is for 99, and what's your opinion of it, Ayush?
This is an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, very nice. Correct. And try both the sandwiches, please. This sandwich, and probably if we have to take a look at this sandwich.
Okay.
Yeah. This is peri peri paneer. Yeah.
That's good.
Take a bite of the paneer, Ayush.
I took
Yeah, and the paneer, Chiku. This is veg sandwich. What you had. This is the paneer sandwich, and you ordered the paneer actually. And I would taste some of this veg. On a cold day, it's pretty satisfying. So I'm glad I'm here. And this is Polar Express. Cute little place indeed. In Bachpalli, Hyderabad. So Ayush, what's your overall rating of this place?
8 out of 10.
It is good. Yes. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.